Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, Tough Math. I am Napoleon A. Gaking Jr., a math teacher. If you're a math teacher, a math coach, a math contestant, or a math enthusiast, this channel is for you. The mathematics problems featured here come from various national and international mathematics competitions held in the past several years. They appear here in either their original forms or in their repurposed versions. As such, they will be an excellent source of training and review materials, especially for those who intend to compete in some mathematics competitions in the future. So, let us now look at our problem for today. A pencil, an eraser, and a notebook together cost 100 pesos. A notebook costs more than 2 pencils. 3 pencils cost more than 4 erasers, and 3 erasers cost more than a notebook. Assuming that the unit costs are whole number of pesos, how much does each item cost? Okay, so let us start by representing the unit cost. So let P, E, N represent the unit cost of a pencil, an eraser, and a notebook. Respectively. Then from the first statement, we have 100 is equal to P plus E plus N. And from the second statement, we have the following inequalities. The first inequality is that a notebook costs more than 2 pencils, so N is greater than 2P. The second inequality is 3P, meaning 3 pencils cost more than 4 erasers. And the third inequality is that 3 erasers, so 3E, is it costs more than a notebook, so 3E is greater than N. So 100, which is equal to P plus E plus N, is less than P plus E plus 3E, because N is less than 3E, and this is equal to P plus 4E. 4E, but 4E is less than 3P, so this is P plus 3P, which is equal to 4P, from which we obtain okay, from which we obtain P is greater than 100 over 4, which is 25. Therefore, P is at least 26. Okay. From the second inequality, we have E is less than 3P over 4, which means that if we plug in the least possible value of P, we have E is less than 3 times 26 over 4, and this is 78 over 4, which is 19.5, which because the unit costs are whole numbers, then we can say that E is less than or equal to 19. Okay, so let us highlight this results. P is at least 26. E is at most 19. Of course, 3E is less than or equal to 57. Now, from the first inequality, N is greater than 2P, and this is greater than or equal to 2 times 26, which is equal to 52. So N is greater than 52, therefore N is at least 53. Okay, so we highlight again that result. And then from the third, from the third inequality, we have N E is greater than N over 3, which is greater than or equal to 52 over 3. Which is 17 and 1/3. Therefore, E is greater than or equal to 18. Now, 3E is greater than 3 times 18, which is equal to 54. And then also from both the first and the second inequalities, 3e is greater than n is greater than 2p, which implies that 3e minus 1 is greater than or equal to n, and in turn n is greater than or equal to 2p plus 1. Using E is at most 19 and N is at least 53, we have N is between 53 and 56. Okay. Let's look back again at our previous results. Okay. So our choices are P is either 26 or 27, E is either 18 or 19, and N is one of 53, 54, 55, and 56. By inspection or by trial and error, we obtain P equals 26, E is equal to 19, and N is equal to 55. So these are our unit costs. A pencil costs 26 pesos, an eraser costs 19 pesos, and a notebook costs 55 pesos. So let us highlight these answers. These are our answers. Note that if you add them, they equal 100 pesos. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed our discussion and you learned something from it. Thank you for subscribing, and I would like to see you again in future videos. God bless.